Hey, what's up? So back here at the hotel room, gonna make another meal, more hotel meals. Mmm. So this one is a vegan version of butter chicken. So it's just butter tofu. Uh, it's gonna be fucking amazing. Just wait and watch. So once again, let's start with what I got here. We got our microwavable safe Tupperware. We got some garlic naan bread. We got some of this jasmine coconut flavored rice. The coconut goes really well with the Indian flavors. With the butter chicken, I enjoy it anyway. But you can go with they've got all kinds of different flavors of this, even plain stuff. It's real easy. You just break up the rice that's in there, tear a little slice in the bag, in the microwave for 90 seconds, leave it another minute or two, and you can eat it right away. Super simple stuff. We got a can of diced tomatoes. Diced tomatoes. We got this stuff. We got the spicy butter chicken. You got this is Patax brand. Patax is the good stuff. This is the stuff that tastes most authentic, in my opinion. What do I know? But this is the good stuff. We got the Patax brand. And then we got soy organic tofu. This is my favorite brand, extra firm. It's the one that's the firmest. So that's what we're going to use. All right, we're going to go ahead and get started. This one's super easy. I'm just going to open up this can of diced tomatoes. There we go. Now I'm going to chop up some tofu. All right, I'm going to just use this whole block. You know, some people say you gotta press and drain your tofu and all that. I don't bother. I just I cut it up and I eat it. I like me my tofu. I guess if you don't like it, you might have different opinions, but whatever. So I'm just gonna chunk this up into some big old cubes. Big cuts this way, and we'll cut it that way. And then I'm just going to chop it up like this. We got some cubes going on here. Perfect. And then all of that, I'm just going to go right into my microwave bowl. I'm going to break that up a little bit with my hands. Make sure the cubes are all separated. Now I am going to add my butter chicken sauce. Put the whole bottle right in there. And here's a little trick that I do. You don't have to do it if you don't want to, but it's something that I do to make sure I get the last little drop of that butter chicken sauce, because I love that Patax butter chicken sauce. So like I say, this step is optional, but this is what I do. I take a little bit of that diced tomato and its juice. I'm going to pour it right in the can of the butter chicken. I close it up and give it a little shake. This helps clean some of that butter chicken right out of there. That sauce, I love that sauce. Straight in. A little bit more. Do it one more time. Whoa, that almost sucked. And that gets almost every drop of the butter chicken sauce out of there. There we go. And that's pretty much the recipe. I'm just going to add the last of those tomatoes. Now I stir it up. Make sure that all gets nicely coated. Sure that tofu's all nicely broken up. Everything's mixed very well. There we have it. Now the beauty of this, you can eat it cold. The taste is totally there. I am going to heat this up. I'm going to put this in the microwave. I'm just putting the lid on there loose so it doesn't splash. And I'm going to throw this in the microwave for probably 4.5 minutes, maybe even 5. I want it to just to say start to boil for a good minute or so. Make sure the flavors get all in there. And that's it. And then you're eating. I'll come back when I've got the when the rice and the naan heated up, and I'll show you what she looks like. All right, here we go. Everything's out of the microwave. The naan bread's nice and warm. Oh, look at that. That's steaming and everything. Oh, man. I don't know if you can see that steaming on the video there, but oh, man, does that ever look good? We got our butter chicken. We got our rice. Oh, look at that steam. Oh, man. I'm just going to throw that right in there. Well, I guess I didn't break it up enough. Got my fork. I'm going to fluff this rice up a bit. Everybody likes a good fluffer once in a while, eh? And I have been known to be a good fluffer. And there we go. Now that rice is looking a lot better. Yes. Yes, indeed. All right. So there's our rice, our naan. I'm just going to dollop some of this right in there. Oh, baby. And there we have it. My vegan butter chicken with naan bread. Vegan butter chicken with naan. There you go. Let's get some close-up photos here. Oh, man. Look how good that looks. There you have it. More outstanding hotel eats. Let me know what you think.